In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 74 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 4 here. Now 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4, but we have no number to bring down here. So in this case, we will put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 74 divided by 4 is equal to 18.5. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.